In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Overcooked 2 with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, on the start page for Overcooked 2, they list the game as having full controller support. What this means is that as long as you run the game through Steam, any controller that you have is going to get detected and work with Overcooked 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up your controller for the game, and even if you own the game on other platforms like Epic Games, you will be able to set up your controller. All that you have to do is go to your library on Steam and select Overcooked 2. As you can notice, I don't actually own Overcooked 2 at the moment, so I'm going to select another game as an example of the method for setting up your controller, but all you have to do is click Overcooked 2. If you own the game outside of Steam, what you have to do is click Add a Game over here, add a non-Steam game, and browse your computer to find Overcooked 2 and add it to your library. After you select Overcooked 2, click on the settings icon at the right side of the screen and go into the properties. You will be able to access the controller settings, and all you have to do to make sure any controller works is to enable Steam input for your controller. You can also click the controller general settings to double check if Steam input is enabled for all controllers, Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and even generic controllers. Now, as long as your controller is being detected by Windows and properly set up, with Steam input enabled, you will be able to open up the game through Steam, and your controller is going to work natively. You don't need to download any additional tools, and this will work as long as you run the game from Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Overcooked 2 with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.